guys, a Saving with Shay. I'm here from my midweek haul for you. Listen, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button for the girl. So listen, like it's been a hot minute since I've gotten a 10 offers for $5 on Ibotta. So I'm like excited about it, but at the same time, like the deals are just not dealing. Let me know in the comments, are the deals dealing for you? Because they ain't dealing for you, girl. I'm hoping I could at least manage to get 10 offers. I may have to get a Walmart gift card. I got one in my last haul, and so yeah, I'm hoping that I can at least knock it out though. We do have that larger bonus, and for that I originally needed 54 for $10. And so yeah, but other than that, y'all, listen, I had to buy some freaking paper towels the other day and some freaking tampons. Like, I haven't had to buy that stuff. Like, in the comments too, what is one thing that you have had to buy recently because you have no more in your stockpile and you've had to practically pay full price for? For me, those two things, like we went to Sam's Club and got a big pack for like $22, $23, I want to say, and it hurt. It really, really hurt. Like, I have a ton of toilet paper, thank God, but I was completely out of paper towels. And I will say the paper towels lasted me a long time. You guys saw my stockpile from CVS when everything was glitching and stuff. Yeah, I stocked up. I haven't stocked up on trash bags from CVS that I haven't had to buy trash bags in a long time as well. So there are some things that I have definitely had to buy, which sucks. I'm down to like maybe 5 large bottles of Tide. Once that's out, I will definitely be looking for a deal. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got into to do, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Flavortown. I am barely getting around to doing this deal. They are on rollback for $3.82 for this. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $7.64, getting back $3.82. I also got back a bonus on aisles as well. And then 75 cents for each one I bought. Makes them 66 cents each. Now we did have a $2 back or 50% back offer that did pop up on Ibotta for $2. It's only working for this one and this one. This one is only triggering the 75-cent one. So yeah. And of course there's this deal. I haven't did this deal yet. It's on the Pleasy hydration drinks. They are on rollback for $1.67. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta brings those down to 92 cents. But I am grabbing these because I feel like if I'm gonna pay, I'll pay a little extra for something I'm actually gonna drink, and I actually like these. So this deal is on the Black Rifle energy drink. These are priced at $2.37, getting back $1 on Ibotta makes them $1.37 with a limit of 5. I'm gonna try this deal and see if it's gonna work. It's on the, this is the 1.5 liter bottles of the Pepsi. They're priced on rollback for $1. I wanted to do the 99-cent 2 liters at Vons, but I forgot to do it yesterday, which was the last day. So I'm gonna try this and grab 4 of these. Hopefully, if it works out, I'll pay 4, get back 3 on checkout 51. It'll make them 25 cents each. So I will let you guys know how it works out. Alright, so next up is a deal on the hair dryer snacking on the dips and spreads. They are priced at $2.97 for this. You want to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $5.94. You'll get back $2 on Swagbucks for buying 2, makes it $3.94. For 2 of them are $1.97 each. I feel like I always take a peruse through the boys section, but there's actually quite a bit of clearance in this little area, so definitely check. These are $3, which are kind of cool. You know, something you can kind of stock up for the upcoming school year. These are $2. I don't know if this one is $2. Let me see. Yeah, this one's $2 too. So I'm probably gonna grab some larger sizes for Josiah. He wears a husky. Yeah, yeah. The little boy wears a husky. But yeah, so check your area. It says some of these are $1. I didn't find any though. But yeah, lots and lots on clearance. $2 and $3. I know the 2 packs here were $4. Yeah, which is not bad. And then on this side, all of the two counts are $4, which is definitely not bad. And they also have these for $3. I just bought Josiah a bunch of these shorts for summer. Remember when I got that promo code from Walmart? It was 25 off of 45. I got him like 7 shorts and like I think 3 or 4 shirts. Some more water shoes. But these are only $3 now, which is definitely not bad. They'll probably go even lower. So, yeah. And then these pants over here are $4, normally $5.48, which is not bad. Like I said, this is stuff you can kind of low-key just get bigger sizes for the following school year. And so, yeah, things I wish I'd known when I had my first. All right, so next up is the Snuggle. It's on the 40 count. It's priced at $1.97. I have this dollar pilly I found a while ago. That'll bring the total down to 97 cents. You'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it 47 cents. Next up is the purse sale. Some of you guys were saying that this $2 pilly wasn't working for you. I actually haven't used it yet, so today's gonna be my first time actually using it. So gonna try grabbing one at $5.44 using this $2 pilly. Hopefully it scans. You'll pay $3.44, getting back to one Ibotta makes it $1.44. I do have an offer on Fetch that I'm tracking for. A big shout out to Danielle for reminding me of that. I did this deal a couple days ago. I'm gonna try to do it again today to fulfill that. And it's been 30, get back 3. And so definitely is not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the CoverGirl pencils. I'm so happy they put these in the wrong spot because I hate, well, they don't have locks. I hate when they have locks and you got to call somebody, and I don't be want to tear them because I don't want to be tearing them. So, but look, these are still on rollback for $2.88. You're going to grab one of them. Getting back $3 on checkout 51. We also have the offer on Swagbucks as well. If I get both, it'll make it a $3.12 moneymaker. If not, it'll make it like a 12-cent moneymaker. And so yeah, I'll let you know how that works out. All right, so this next set of deals are on Axe. I'm not doing this deal because I'm not trying to pay for it. And so on the Axe, there are offers for the regular as well as the fine. So the fine are priced at $7.98. There is an offer for $4 back, making that $3.98. And then there's also one for the fine sticks as well. They're $5.97, getting back 3 makes those $2.97. As far as the regular sprays, $6.88. I don't see the smaller cans though. They usually have the smaller ones. Okay, $6.88, getting back 3 makes it $3.88, and then the regular deodorant is priced at $4.97, getting back. I want to say you're getting back 2 on that one. It makes it $2.97, and so I mean, if you need it, I guess. All right, I was really hoping they would have one that was priced a little bit cheaper. I did try scanning this one here at $4.66. It didn't work for any of the offers, but this one here, the medicated rash one, is priced at $5.47, getting back $2.50, brings it down to $2.98. And with that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did hit my bonus. I didn't have to get a gift card, which honestly prefer not to, just because I really wanted to go back to PayPal and not have to, I mean, unless I'm doing a larger haul and I know I'm going to use, I would be using PayPal anyway, so I might as well just, you know, get a gift card and let it count towards a bonus. But since this was so small, I really just wanted to cash it out and just have it go to PayPal. And so the club crackers, I mentioned that in my last video. That was a deal I did at Vaughn's. I originally got the wrong ones, and so I kept checking online. They finally restocked yesterday, so I went and exchanged them for these. Got back $1.25 each on Ibotta. It made them 74 cents each. I'm actually kind of curious to try that flavor. As far as the per sale, really quick, because some of you guys were talking about the peely. Now today I did, which is today, I did use the pillies that we have been finding more recently. And as you can see, they all scanned. I did go to self-checkout. Y'all know, you know what? I've been going to self-checkout at the store that technically banned me from self-checkout. And it's funny because the little manager lady, her, she's seen me there like 3 times and she ain't said nothing to me. So maybe she just over it. Maybe she was just having a bad day. You know what I'm saying? But what I really want to turn her to liking me. You know what I mean? Because I mean, it's better to like me than to not like me. I'm not a bad person. But yeah, I've been going to self-checkout. I just haven't been scanning on my phone though, to be honest, to be fair. But yeah, all the pillies did scan. The Pepsi, it worked, you guys. I kind of figured it would work. Like when I scanned it and it came up as Pepsi 0, it didn't say a size or anything like that. I figured it would work because if it said like 1.5 ounce, there was a chance it wouldn't work. But since the receipt just said Pepsi 0 versus like Pepsi 0 1.5, I thought there was a really high chance that it would go through. And it did. It actually went right through. When that offer resets on Sunday, if it resets for us again, I'll definitely be grabbing these $1.5 liter bottles from Walmart. It makes them 25 cents each. The CoverGirl, that worked out good too. Like, okay, so I submit on Checkout 51 first because you guys keep asking me over and over. I always submit Checkout 51 first. I wait for it to clear, meaning I wait for them to say, hey, boo, here's your $3. And then I submit it on the sister app being Swagbucks, My Points Inbox to our Easy Bucks. Now, the only time that I do the sister apps first is when the value is much, much higher. So, like, there's an offer where, like, I don't know, for example, let's say it's the Vital Fusion and it's buy 2, get back 7 on Swagbucks, but you know, Checkout 51 is only $3. So I would probably submit on Swagbucks first and then do Checkout 51. And so, yeah, but that went through on Checkout 51 really fast. And then I submitted on Swagbucks for one of them. And then My Points for the other one and got back the 3. It automatically went through, which was cool. So it made them both combine like a $6.30 moneymaker, which is really awesome. I was looking for some face products that were cheap, but the only thing they had were like ones that were like $6-ish, which I guess if you got both, it would still make it less than $1 for the face product. So that is a possible option for me, maybe next time I go to Walmart. As far as the Snuggles, the Peely scanned perfectly fine as well. That went straight through on Ibotta as well. Of course, you guys know all the per sale are working with the coupon as well. And so with that being said, let's get this done. Everything you see here, retails $80.71. We had $17 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $63.71. Our sales tax was $4.90. And then we get back $41.85 from Ibotta. Now, I am including my last 2 bonuses, which were the ones from the last haul, because I didn't hit them in that haul, but I did hit them the next day. So I'm including that as well. So $41.85 back from Ibotta. Brand Club, I did cash out on Brand Club, and there's also a $2 survey you can do. That's an instant reward as well. So check Brand Club. I check it every day. I've been doing the surveys though, 45 cents, 50 cents. It adds up. And so I did cash out today for $12.68. That is minus the fee they charge. Checkout 51 is $9. Aisles was $4.82. Swagbucks $3. My Points $3. And last but not least was Fetch at $3. So it brings our total to $77.35, making everything you see here free plus a $13.64 moneymaker, which is really awesome considering I don't really feel like I did a whole lot. Well, I don't really feel like there was a lot going on, to be honest. And so I kind of just tried to make it as simple as possible. And so with that being said, if you made it to the end, I really appreciate you guys watching. Josiah, what's our emoji today? Because he hasn't. What? Pancakes. So he hasn't participated in our emoji at the end of the video in a long time. Right, Bug? And so he's over there sounding like he's 14. I don't know what's wrong with his voice, but I don't know if he improve. I don't know. Look, I don't know. But his voice is deeper. He sounds like he's 14. And I'm just like, where's my 9-year-old? But anyways, listen, I enjoy you watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the way out the door. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.